Assalamualaikum sejahtera. Saya Hong dari DP4A. Nombor Metroclass ialah 10DP19F 2010. Jadi sekarang saya nak terangkan chapter 4 tentang subjek signal and system. Chapter ni ada banyak bahagian. So kumpulan saya ada 3 orang. Jadi kita bahagikan kerja kami. So saya teruskan. Duality property. Duality property if a function xd has a Fourier transform xw and we form a new function in time domain with the functional form of the Fourier transform xt, then it will have a Fourier transform xw with the functional form of the original time function, but it is a function of frequency. So ini adalah explanation duality property. Jadi next, frequency response of CT LTI system. Sinusoids and their close relative, the complex exponential, play a distinguished role in the study of LTI system. The reason is that for an LTI system, a sinusoidal input give rise to a sinusoidal output again, and at the same frequency as the input. This property is not obvious from anything we have said so far about LTI system. Only the amplitude and phase of the sinusoid might be, and generally are modified from input to output in a way that is captured by the frequency response of the system, which we introduce in this chapter. Jadi next, Fourier analysis of dt. dt itu discrete time. The DTFT is often used to analyze samples of a continuous function. The term discrete time refers to the fact that the transform operates on discrete theta, often samples whose interval has units of time. For uniformly spaced samples, if it produces a function of frequency that is a periodic summation of the continuous Fourier transform of the original continuous function. Next, Fourier transform in discrete. In mathematics, the discrete Fourier transform DFT converts a finite sequence of equally spaced samples of a function into a same length sequence of equally spaced samples of the discrete time. Fourier transform DTFT, which is a complex value function of frequency. The interval at which DTFT is sampled is the reciprocal of the duration of the input sequence. Jadi, finally, frequency response of discrete time LTI system. Transfer function LETXN be a non-zero input to an LTI discrete time system, and Ym be the resulting output assuming a zero initial condition. The transfer function denoted by #z is defined can be determined by taking the z transform of the governing LCCDE and applying the delay property the system impulse response. So itu saja untuk saya. Terima kasih.